Welcome back to Tech Unbox Pro, your trusted source for premium smartphone reviews and unboxings. Today, we're taking a closer look at the brand new Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, a phone that brings Samsung's signature design, smooth performance, and reliable camera system into the perfect mid-range package. The first thing you'll notice about the Galaxy A57 5G is its beautiful and refined design. Samsung has gone for a minimalistic yet premium approach with a satin matte finish on the back and a clean camera layout. The satin sky blue color gives it an elegant touch, shining softly under light while keeping fingerprints away. The phone feels comfortable to hold, solid in hand, and built with excellent craftsmanship, exactly what you'd expect from Samsung. On the front, the Galaxy A57 5G features a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. It's bright, sharp, and incredibly fluid. Whether you're streaming movies, gaming, or just browsing through apps, everything looks stunning. With brightness levels reaching up to 1200 nits, outdoor visibility is no problem at all. The bezels are thin, the punch-hole camera is subtle, and the viewing experience feels truly immersive, one of the best displays in its category. Powering the phone is the Snapdragon 7 Gen 2 chipset, paired with 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. This combination delivers smooth, lag-free performance in everyday tasks and gaming. Apps open instantly, multitasking is seamless, and games like PUBG Mobile or Asphalt 9 run without any stutter. It also handles temperature control efficiently, keeping performance steady even during long sessions. Battery life is another strong point. The 5000 mAh battery easily lasts a full day with heavy use, and with 45W fast charging, you can charge it from 0 to 50% in just 25 minutes. That's perfect for users who are always on the move. Now let's talk about the camera setup. The Galaxy A57 5G comes with a triple lens system, a 64 megapixels main sensor, 12 megapixels ultra-wide, and 5 megapixels depth sensor. Photos are crisp, vibrant, and full of detail, especially in daylight. Samsung's image processing balances colors and contrast beautifully, while night shots come out bright and well exposed. Portrait mode delivers natural background blur,